Hello everyone and welcome back to another Call of Duty gameplay with me playing a random class thanks to the random class generator. And this is my random class for today. It's the Dingo. I actually showed a picture of it on, not a picture, I showed it on Twitter if you're following. With the quick draw, stock, F&J, fast max. Along with that I get the RK5, ELO sight, and quick draw. No perks, no attachments, wait not attachments, no perks, no grenades. 2 wild cards, primary gunfighters 1 and 2. My specialist is overdrive once again. Apparently this thing likes giving me LMGs and special and overdrive. My kill streaks are the Guardian and Rolling Thunder with the GI unit. I've never actually gotten a GI unit before. Maybe I can get one. We'll see. Took me a while to get all these attachments. But let's just jump into some gameplay. Before we start, I want to open up a rare supply drop and hopefully get a new camo for the Dingo while I'm about to play it right now. So let's find out.
Alright, let's go. Nice.
No, nothing for the Dingo.
Nice.
Oh look, we have enough cryptic keys to do this.
Here we go.
Let's do this too.
All sales final. Just a sprinkle of sugar to keep
Nope.
coming back.
Oh well, that was a good try. Alright, let's have some fun in a game. Alright, safeguard. This is a game where I can get a lot of kills in. Someone just besieged. Ooh, he's dead. I hope everyone knows. Oh my gosh, I failed so hard. Oh. Okay, hold on. We're gonna try to get kills. There. I shot the robot a lot, but no one's around, so they can't guide it.
Soldier down.
The robot belongs to us now. Oh my gosh. I'm doing so terrible.
The robot has been
There. It's disabled. Woo!
Threat neutralized.
The guy upstairs.
Is on the move.
Can't be on the move. No one's over here. Able to guard it. Able to move it.
Spear blunted.
Okay. Glad someone else took that spot for me because I can't do it over there anymore. It's moving! Come on, guys.
Hostile robot shut down.
Where's the robot?
Many robot systems are online.
Oh my gosh, that's the most annoying sound in the world. Oh my gosh, you guys are going to hate this video. That is the most annoying sound.
Hostiles have destroyed your
Oh! Back up, back up! Why can't I back up? Why didn't I back up? Robots coming, Really?
They're gone.
Come down the stairs. Teammate, move! I can't see! You ain't made of glass! Your daddy was not a glass maker! He stuck me! He stuck me! How am I going? 16 and 6. I love Safeguard because of this. You can get so many kills in this game mode, man. Oh.
Overdrive down.
You know what I forgot? I have a secondary. I usually don't use it unless I run out of ammo in my primary. 5.
Tango down.
The robot has been disabled.
Ah, are you serious? Someone actually got a power cell? Or, no, that was the EMP. What does a power cell do? I forgot. I got owned. I got owned. By that terrible, terrible gun. Dude, there's no point in shooting a robot if no one's marching it.
Drop.
I have to put a few shots into it. They're sneaking around the back here. Oh, shoot! Ooh, teammate save! Here, we're gonna reload. Since we got fast mags anyways. Oh, dang!
Nearing objective.
I did not even notice.
Yourself.
I feel
More work
bad.
to do.
I feel bad because I didn't even notice. 18 and 9 in the first round. Safeguard is a pretty long game mode.
Halftime.
Alright, moving on. I'm trying to get us another robot. Hint, hint, that GI unit.
Escort the robot to the enemy base. Hostile UAV above. Robot status is nominal.
Oh dear gosh! Okay, they got it escorting. We have a load of enemies who came this way.
Enemy down.
UAV inbound.
What hit me?
Enemy patrol!
That sniper
Disabled our robot.
got a little bit of a beat on me. I feel like they're not defending as well as they should be.
Friendly UAV inbound. Boot sequence complete. Robot systems are online.
Someone get that robot moving. Fudge! I need to aim for the head some more. Just more often.
Our robot has been disabled.
Because no one was escorting it.
Be advised. Hostile UAV incoming.
Oh my gosh. I really like being on the defense team, defense part of this. Because you get so much kills on defense. Yeah! And then I die. Like, all this person right here is doing is shooting a robot. Here, we'll push it.
Overwatch down.
Ah!
Disabled our robot.
We were so close, we were so close.
Battery
Boot
down.
sequence complete. Robot systems are online.
So the first time I actually played Safeguard, I didn't understand the goal to just hold off the enemies.
Down. Smoked them.
They are like making sure we don't go that way at all. Someone just jump into next to the robot. That's all you have to do.
You've disabled our robot.
At this rate, they're gonna just own it. Where is the rest of my team? Like, everyone should be over here. It looks like everyone's over here. Yet, it doesn't seem like it, because
Battery drained.
And they're shooting it. They're shooting it.
Hostile forces have disabled our robots. Hostile UAV spotted.
So I was doing good? But it just seems like I can't get any kills.
Sequence complete. Robot systems are online.
It's so easy to be defend. And why did I chase him? Oh my gosh, I told you guys.
Down to this. Pick it up.
I am not the best Call of Duty
Robot
player.
has been disabled.
Okay. Robot's about to come back on.
Robot status acknowledged.
I actually died to a thermite.
Approaching their base. Good job, CDP. Do it again and let's go home.
Inbound thermite. Spotter kill.
Mission time extended.
Alright. There's the time mode. Where we can't let them get the thing in fast enough.
Prevent the hostile robot from reaching our base. Enemy robot systems are online.
Okay, 29 and 24. Wow. 29 and 25. Let's try to go positive. Sorry, I actually don't play with LMGs that much. So, you know what I should be doing actually? Is running with this, and then switching to this.
Threat down.
He looks so confused. And then I let a sparrow kill me. Are we not stopping this thing? Seriously, he's already
Hostile UAV spotted.
over halfway here.
Hostile health source found. Hostile robot is disabled.
I do not like losing. Okay. I really hope the next time around they give me an assault rifle.
Hostile robot is on the move.
Oh my gosh.
The robot has been disabled.
Whoa.
Enemy robot systems are online.
Battery KIA.
Someone disable a robot. This is why I say disable the robot. This is why I said disable the robot.
The hostile robot has been disabled.
My auto. Oh, this is aim assist. This aim assist messed me up.
Hostile robot is on the move.
Tango down.
No one is allowed.
Hostile robot shut down.
Threat neutralized.
Guys, if there's so many of us watching this way, what about all the other ways it can come?
Robot is online. Disable.
Because the robot's back. Okay, I'm gonna go watch the robot.
Hostile robot has been disabled.
Enemy down. Outrider.
Ah!
Enemy robot systems are online.
I should have saw that coming. I should have saw that coming. I just wanted the points.
Blitz. Hostile robot shut down. Hostile robot on the move.
Behind us. Please get the one behind us. She's gonna push the robot. She's the one who's gonna push the robot.
Hostile robot is approaching.
Dang.
Quit feeling sorry for yourself. There's more work to do.
3 minutes. Can we beat 3 minutes? I am going 45 and 34. Is that me? Nope. Oh yeah, doesn't it say like big U on top of it?
Wasted.
Overtime.
Okay. We got this. We gotta work together. We're gonna play as a team. Okay, everyone?
Escort
march
the robot
together.
to the enemy base. Boost sequence complete. Robot systems are online. Be advised, hostile UAV incoming.
What blew me up? A war machine. They are just slamming it now.
You've disabled our robot.
Ruin.
Hostile counter UAV above. Radar is down.
Oh my gosh.
Our robot has been rebooted.
It's moving, it's moving. Okay, keep escorting that thing. But there is a battery behind y'all.
Spear blunted. Boomer down.
Ah, dang. Ammunition was gone. Oh my gosh.
Spear blunted.
Someone has to get the robot moving from that spot. That's a choke point. And it's down.
Our robot has been disabled.
Incoming.
Okay. We're going to their spawn. We're just getting kills now. I don't care if we win or lose.
Overwatch down. Smoked him.
I am reloading in the wrong spot. Like, seriously.
Disabled our robot.
Tango down.
Why'd I go back inside?
Boost sequence complete. Robot systems are online.
They're trying to keep us all off of it. I don't have my overdrive.
Our robot is nearly there.
Wow, we beat it. We won. I'm highly impressed. 57 and 42.
You have a nice fucking day now.
Our reputation is our best deterrent.
And I actually came in
We
second.
kicked some serious
I'm really
ass,
surprised
guys.
by that. I did pretty darn good for
Get back to
myself.
boot camp.
I said myself. Compared to other YouTubers out there, I'm probably so mediocre. I love the hero suit for the hero armor, or body for the ruin. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. And I think I'm just gonna sign out now. How about that? Bye-bye. Guess what, guys? In that last game, we got enough crypto keys to open another supply drop. So that's 3 in 1 game! Please be purple. Oh, that sucked.
It is what it
And
is.
still got nothing for that,
You wanna say?
what's it called? Dingo. But anyways, yep, that's the end of it. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Really helps the channel grow.